You fit give me your attention for just about 30 seconds. You get something important I want to share with you. Before you say I look like Fast the bad guy, now he look like me anyway. You get one story where I work now and a way where you feel make extra 100k on a monthly basis. Just imagine everything where you don't they make right now. If 100k add on top for online business, it no go sweet you. And everything about this day possible through what they call digital products. If you want to know more how this fee work for you, how we go take hold you by and show you step by step how we take do am. Alright, I want make you send us a message on WhatsApp. There's a WhatsApp number we will attach under this video, or we'll put under the caption with you under this video. Make you send that number WhatsApp message. If you get WhatsApp and you get phone, we get internet, everything don't pull it for you. Just send the word 100k for WhatsApp to that number, and then we'll give you access to watch the training where we will show you how everything goes.
Oh, I'm a twin and you get to hear from me very soon.
I hear you. So what's the matter?
It's about your webinar. You won't believe Amazon is worth over $1.6 trillion now. All because of that business model you teach.
Amazing. That's exactly what I'm about to share with them. I'll be revealing the model that made Amazon a $1.6 trillion business, and how you can leverage the same to build a fortune for yourself online.
Chibi, you also tell them how much you have made with the same model.
Of course now. I'll share everything with you and also give you a gift worth $1,000 if you attend.
Click the link below now.